Yeah, it's true.
Oh, are you stuck? I know. Oh, hi everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Sarah Pedun. Today I come to you with a very full heart. Thank you so much for always supporting me. We have new people who have just joined this family. You are so welcome here. Thank you so much for joining. In today's video, we are going to have a tour of our mini farm. So in this farm, we have banana plantation, raised bed gardens, birds and animals, container gardens. I'm going to show you all that. Let's go. These are the first things that I planted, the Chinese cabbage. We have some other stuff growing that I'll show you when they have grown a bit bigger. I have plans for this area. Most things that I planted in this bed did not germinate, and I just kept putting different things, and now I cannot identify the plants here, apart from the green beans, of course. I have a plant for this area. That side, I'm going to put a table where we can do our crafts, and I think I'll be inviting school kids for gardening. I will see about that. As you enter the banana plantation, we have this plant. I don't know its English name, but it's in the local language, it's a papai. That's inateso. It's making a nice trellis here. So you can come here, you see the bananas. We have harvested quite a number of bananas here. We still have, okay, I need to get it right. We have these two big bananas. We have this side, we have sweet banana. This is matoke. These two are matoke. We have sweet banana over here. And this side, we have gonja. This is our gonja. I'm eagerly waiting for this gonja plantain. Also in this area, you can see the marigolds, the cosmos, mulberries, and there's a little bed here. You can see peppers. I don't know what this is, either butternut squash or just, okay, what I know, it is a squash. And we have pepper here. And over here I have my ornamental plants and corn. This is sweet corn, store-bought sweet corn. It's so hard to dry sweet corn. I almost gave up and ate it, cooked it. So yeah, that's sweet corn that I have over there. And still in the banana plantation, we have ornamental plants. We have lots of turmeric. It's flowering. That's a beautiful flower. My aglonema, I put it there so it can multiply. And this area, lots of volunteer Malva spinach. Over here we have tree tomato. We have harvested most of it, and the other side of the neighbor. Most of it is the other side of the neighbor. Sky, what's up? Can't eat it. It was a little bird, little but loud. It was so tiny and it was singing very loudly. This is our avocado tree. It's huge. There's some fruits on it already. Of course, we have our tiny swing here. Whee! Back to the tour. Now we are going to see the birds and the animals. In our small farm, we have rabbits that you saw already. I had many and I gave some out. Let's go and feed some. Okay, here it is. We have this comfrey. They like the comfrey. Also, they also enjoy the mulberry leaves. If you're looking for a tree to grow, I think mulberries are the easiest things to grow and also propagate. So this is their feeds. These are mulberry leaves. Oh! And comfrey. This rose is beautiful. It's so tall and very thorny, but oh my god, look. Love it. Let me show you the container garden. So these are the containers. We have strawberries. Okay, that's not yet ready. Lavender. Lots of mulberries. You can see here mulberries. And this side, look, lots of mulberries on these plants. We never really harvest strawberries because we're always eating it on the go. Pomegranate, tangerine, custard apple. Looks like it wants to fruit. I have rosemary, coleus, mint, African sweet basil, anthurium, and this flower that I don't know the name yet. In the raised beds over here are strawberries. These strawberries were being suffocated by mint. I made a mistake and put mint here. And now Joseph weeded out the mint. I did not have the heart to take them out. So Joseph took out the mint, but they are back like they never left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the strawberries from here and let the mint be, because clearly they are not going anywhere. This is my coriander that has bolted. We have peppers in this garden. Joseph just harvested the sukuma wiki kale from the other bed, and I just harvested some okra here for seeds, saving the seeds. In the containers we have lemon. This is my pride. I'm so happy about this lemon. Oranges that we're about to eat in that bucket. Here I have, let me put it here. This is bougainville, and down here I have mint. Let me shade it. Guava. Here we have our mango in the container. That was a water bottle, and it's flowering. I'm so excited to see a mango on this plant. This area is for the bees. Bees love this area, and butterflies. Okay. More guavas in the containers. Look what. I have lots of marigold, and this is how I multiply them. Just take the seeds, do this and throw. Now I'm going to start saving seeds for whoever visits and wants some. Very easy to save the seeds. So yeah, I'm going to save the seeds from this in the containers. This is loquat, very healthy. Star fruit, cocoa, palms. These are yams that I'm yet to plant. We have passion fruits, some beans. Oh guys, so many things here. And this, they are so big. This is in a container. I think we're about to eat this. This is in the bucket. And this guava is also flowering. All the guavas I planted from seed. Cassava, some sugar cane. The last sugar cane we ate wasn't that sweet. Hope this one is sweet this time. Here are the buds. And another matoke. So in here we have pigeons, ducks, turkeys, and chickens. Oh, we also have some rabbits. Oh. Okay. So these two ducks have pigeons everywhere. These two ducks have a story. The duck laid the eggs where the turkey was laying its eggs. So the turkey hatched her eggs and the ducks. Unfortunately, the turkeys died and the ducklings stayed. And the turkey raised the ducklings until they did not want her anymore. So these two were raised by the turkey. Guys, however much you change water, it still looks dirty. I just changed this water a few minutes ago. I wish the ducks could just choose one thing, like this is ours, that's for the chicken, but no. There is a turkey there with this little one. Okay, I need to catch this little one, this chick, and take it back to the mother. Is it going to be possible? Oh my god. Oh, okay, that's the mother. I thought it escaped from here. Oh, these ones have grown. There is another mother here. Finally, I got to know the name of the beans over there. Let's go and have a look. I was so excited when I'm always excited to learn the names of these plants. These are cucumis seedlings. Cucumis. In my local language, it's akobo-kobo. It's a different type that I'd never seen. Excited to grow them. So these beans that I've had for I don't know how long. Over a year. These are called Christmas lima beans. Christmas lima beans. Wow. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like my kind of content, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.